quick tutorial for Drugs Don't Work by the Verve. Smashing me song, only 2 parts to it really, and the chords you'll need are C, G, E minor, A minor, F and G. We do something slightly different with the C and with the A minor in the verses, which is we go from third to second to give that do-do-do feel. So that would go, and all that is just hammering on from third to second. And then when we change to the A minor, we do the same thing. So if you play the A minor with your first, then you've got your second and third free to give it the. Okay, so the actual song runs C. All this talk of getting old, it's getting me down, my love, like a cat in a bag, waiting to drown. This time I'm coming down. That goes to the bridge, the chorus, whatever, the other part that's repeated twice, and that runs, 'cause baby, ooh, if heaven falls, I'm coming to, just like you said, with you out my life, I'm better off dead. And then back to the verse. Enjoy.